Hello, my name is Ibra. Today I'm going to teach you about variable and data types. What is variable? Naming variable, types of data in Python, printing data types. What is variable? Variable is a memory space which stores data. Naming variable. When naming a variable, you can name any name like big. But there's two things you have to remember. When naming a variable, you need underscore. When you have two words, in the middle of the two words, it have to be underscore. The second thing is that the words can't be started by a number or a question mark or any mark. Types of data in Python: string, floats, integer. Those are the ones which I'm going to teach you today. There are only 3. I'm going to teach you how to make variable or box print data types. First thing, we make a new file. Then you come to file, you come to save. You write any box like run.py. The first thing, we'll make a box which is called, we make a box like any box. I want to make a box which is called number 1 is equal to you write string, then and then you write any word or sentence. Like me, I'm writing earth. And then I enter. Wait first. Here up, it have to be this is string. Then I come down, I come down. I print number 1. Then I enter. I make a space. I write again. This This time, this is float. And then I enter. Then I write any box, like number 2. Number 2 is equal to, this time it is float. We write any number like 23, and then we write dot. People call dot another word, like, and then another number, any number, like 23. And then I enter. I write print. Then I write number 2. And then I make a space. Then I write again the last thing, the last word. This is integer. And then I write a new box, which is called any box, like number 3. I write is equal to any number. Now I'm writing 3. And then I enter. I come to print. Number 3. Then that's the end. If you want to get the answer, you just come to Intel Python. First, I come to save. I come to Intel Python. I go to File. I open. Then I go to Desktop. I go to Coding. Then remember your file box, which is called Run. When you find a file box which is called Run, you click it. Then you run. And then you come to run mobile F5. Then you see the answer, which is called Earth 23.23 and 3. To tell you how do we get the answer, here it just take Earth without string. It put here and it put in front of here. These other words it forgot it. And these 3 come to the last one down here. Thanks for watching. Make sure and subscribe or like and see more of the best coder and math to me. Bye.